You'll check it. This is how I made $1,000 in one day. My first run was $500. My next run, picking up these little tires, just made a little quick little $100. Now I'm headed to my next stop, picking up 2 pallets, getting $300 for this run. And before I call it a day, had one more run for $100. That's how I made $1,000 in one day.
First thing you need to do is be creative and create yourself a name. Once you did that, you can go to LegalZoom.com and get your LLC. Now, once you get the LLC, now you want to go to IRS.gov and get your EIN number so you can go open up your business bank account. Now, once you did that, I suggest go to CBDriver.com, type in your zip code, see what loads come up in your city, what companies looking for loads. Now let's go and get this business credit. So therefore, go to DNB.com, also known as Dun & Bradstreet. Now let's also start working on loads. We can go to Indeed, ZipRecruiter, we can go to Craigslist, type in jobs, transport, cargo van, box truck, delivery driver, delivery service, courier service. That way we can have a more larger range of different companies that's available. Now let's start searching for that cargo van. Let's go to Carfax.com and also AutoNation.com. Type in Ford or Dodge and do Ford Transit 150. Look for medium roof, high roof, whichever one you're looking for. Also use that VIN number that's provided in that search. That way we can get an insurance quote. The insurance companies that I like is InfinityAuto.com and BuyBurke.com. Check these insurances out. Use that VIN number from that cargo van that you have off that website looking for that cargo van and get your insurance quote.